Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound effects on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Candy Crush Saga game. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the audio option. Turn down sound effect option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.